looks like our driver has the tiniest sign you have ever seen. Look at that. Uh-oh. That was us. We fell. Markham.
Whoa.
Fancy. Wow, look at that couch. You can like sleep on this couch. Welcome to Houston. We made it. This is the day of Game 4 of the World Series. Houston Astros versus LA Dodgers.
We're bringing it back.
YouTube TV is the title sponsor for the entire World Series broadcast. They asked us if we wanted to come and be part of the World Series and watch the World Series. And we're like,
Yeah. We're like, yeah. Watch this.
whew. I mean, they're telling us that we can go see the trophy, that we can go on the field during batting practice. Look at that weird. Exclusive access.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, let's get it done. Welcome out to Minute Maid Park.
If this series goes to Game 6 and 7, then we will be there for those two. To give you a little background, growing up, baseball was my sport. I was a pitcher, I played first base. Many of the things that make me who I am, as far as work goes, with my family, is due to baseball. I know it may sound strange. Little things like my work ethic, being patient. You always have to know in baseball like what might happen if somebody hits a grounder, if somebody hits a fly ball, how many people are on base. And a lot of that translates into business. I am super grateful for being raised playing baseball, and this is a really cool experience even for me to be able to come and see the pinnacle, the top, the World Series. Enough talking. Let's take you and show you what VIP access looks like at Major League Baseball World Series.
I like Minute Maid lemonade, so I like the stadium.
Ooh. I know I put on a few pounds, but not this much.
You're looking good. I'm looking good.
Is that an inspirational moment for you?
No.
We saw a crowd over here, so we're gonna go see what's going on.
We just saw Clayton Kershaw, Justin Verlander. I don't know, not a bad start, I guess, to our first 5 minutes of being in the stadium.
Yeah, just 5 minutes.
The Lumberjack.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a dude with a red beard. Justin Turner is his name. There he is right there. Look at that beard. There's a train up at the top of the left field.
Random.
It's totally random. I wonder if anybody's ever actually hit a baseball into the train. And if they did, do you win? You guys that are Astros fans that know baseball, let us know in the comments. Has anybody ever hit it in there? Right now we got the Dodgers doing a little stretches. I don't know how effective that is for anything, but they're doing it.
What's the strangest thing you cut open? Don't say somebody's head.
Serious was probably a bee's nest, because I hate bees.
Cut open a bee's nest?
It was as big as like
Hold on 1 second. You know what we call that? Poor parenting. What the hell's the matter? Who lets their kid open a bee's nest? Come on, dude.
They were all dead. The bees were gone.
Oh, they were all dead.
We're
Of
good.
course.
We're good. We found the dugout. Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna see if Lincoln can just walk in there like he owns the place, like he's supposed to be in there in the dugout,
Yeah.
and just like sit down next to the Gatorade machine, Gatorade thing.
Gatorade
Maybe you
thing?
should get a drink. Get a drink of Gatorade. Yes.
Am I allowed to do that?
Yes. Dude, well, if they tell you no, then just come out. Got it? Lincoln, grab a drink. Grab a drink. Do it. Just one drink. You can do it. Get the drink. Oh! Lincoln, high five. Yes. That was awesome.
That was so fun.
Lincoln, wait. What did the drink taste like? That's Major League Baseball commissioner. This hallway is the place to be. Turns out they have a place that Lincoln's gonna hang out for the rest of the game. It's right around next to us. It's the nursery. No, but for reals, they actually have a nursery for the players' kids if they want to like hang out in the nursery during the game. Okay, we found our man, Jeremiah. He has the trophy. First step on the club level. You see this is the liquid bar? We sneak through the liquid bar. Go in the liquid bar, go Lincoln, go. And then, just randomly in here. This room, this is hidden. They don't mess around with trophy security. They even have money counters right here. This is the vault.
Yeah, the vault's back in there.
Behind me is the World Series trophy that has been the same trophy since the year 2000 when the Yankees won. Lincoln, there we go. Slow motion, intense movie music right here. Take it off the cover. Here we go. I'll untuck it with my hands here. Go. Oh.
Whoa!
That's cool.
That is really cool.
Every one of these flags represents the different teams in Major League Baseball. How many teams are in Major League Baseball, Lincoln?
30.
World Series champion. That's a good weight to it, you're right.
Yeah.
I would say that's a good 25 pounds. That's my guess. Do we know?
Yeah, that's all right.
Yeah, I'm good. After the game, the winning team will take this home. This will live in their clubhouse forever. They'll make a new one for the next season. So super cool. I have to take a minute to say thank you to you guys that watch our YouTube channel because this would not have happened without you guys watching. They actually just got this out just for us to watch this right now. They're putting it back into here, and then they're gonna take it through this door and put it in the vault back there. That was super nice of them. Like, this is amazing. Thank you, YouTube TV and Major League Baseball. Okay, new information. Whenever there's a home run that's hit, that train does move. It goes back and forth maybe, it moves. We'll wait, we'll try to film it tonight because it moves and there's a conductor that's actually in the train. That's cool.
How does he get up there?
All right, enough of this. We are heading to our seats right now, section 111, row 32. You ready, buddy? Lead the way. Number one is down. It's 0-0. Tight game, but we got some friends. We got Brody here.
What up?
And Kelsey. So this is fun. We're not alone at this game. Lincoln, thoughts? First inning. What do you think?
I want someone to hit a home run in the very middle of the H in the garden.
It just sticks in the H.
Yeah.
Favorite part of the game so far, the dancing mascots.
They're so creepy.
They're good.
It's really good.
inside the World Series Houston edition. We are going home. We're coming to LA for Game 6, and you can see behind the scenes what's inside Los Angeles Dodger Stadium. Let's see if they can beat the ice cream. Lincoln, favorite part of today?
Probably going in the dugout and getting.
You kept your cup?
Yeah.
Yeah! We're heading out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed that. Adios.
One.